Is it time to buy or sell AGM Group Holdings Class A stock? In this video, we're diving deep into AGM Group Holdings Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2025, our system has categorized AGM Group Holdings Class A as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the roof of the current trend that has been breached, at $3.14. This could present a second opportunity for potential gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 6.24% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 81.62% to negative 67.73%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 34.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 95.40% to negative 61.8% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 476 ten-thousandths of a dollar and $4.02. Our latest daily update for AGM Group Holdings Class A includes the headline, Significant Movements in AGM Group Holdings Inc. Class A stock price on Friday, experiencing a fluctuation of 190.53% between its high and low. The AGM Group Holdings Inc. Class A stock price increased by 363.68% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. It rose from $2.23 to $10.34. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 190.53%, with a day low of $6.23 and a day high of $18.10. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 487.5% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 207 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 207 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.10, and the lowest price was 2.17 cents. Currently, the price is 42.87% or $7.76, below the 52-week high of $18.10, which remains the all-time high for this stock. AGM Group Holdings stock surged today, increasing by approximately 450%, following the disclosure of the sale of its semiconductor subsidiary for $57,450,000. This sudden influx of cash is what triggered the rapid movement. Traders flocked in, responding to the news, which resulted in a significant trading volume and a swift reevaluation of a stock that was previously lightly traded. Anticipate increased short-term volatility. A wave of profit-taking and a subsequent pullback are likely once early investors secure their gains, with momentum traders potentially intensifying the fluctuations. In the medium to long term, the impact will depend on management's strategy for utilizing the proceeds. If the company channels the $57,450,000 towards debt reduction, working capital, or strategic reinvestment, it could enhance the balance sheet and support a more sustainable valuation alongside improved fundamentals. On the other hand, if the proceeds are allocated to insiders, spent on non-value-adding acquisitions, or if the filing lacks substantial details, confidence may wane, leading to a decline in the stock price. For now, the market's response appears to be an overreaction fueled by speculation. It is the fundamentals that will ultimately dictate whether this rally can be sustained. Analysts have assigned AGM Group Holdings Class A stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for AGM Group Holdings Class A. The AGM Group Holdings Inc. Class A stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $3.42 and $2.37. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 5, 2025. And since then, the stock has risen by 487.5%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal observed 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal recorded 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal noted 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal recorded 77 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 75 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for AGM Group Holdings Class A. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may perform very poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $11.87 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 190.53%. In the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 44.90%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for AGM Group Holdings Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AGM Group Holdings Class A. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader, familiar with navigating such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.02, which reflects a decline of 3.14%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, leading to a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 93, which further elevates the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is AGM Group Holdings Class A stock a worthy investment? AGM Group Holdings Inc. Class A shows several positive indicators. However, These do not meet our criteria for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, this stock should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we monitor further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we anticipate that AGM Group Holdings Class A will open higher by $1.22, beginning trading at $11.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.